Well, work in progress is finally coming to a close. Just picked up a new filtration pump today. And got it hooked up. Got to tie down the hose a little better, but other than that, it's coming together pretty well. Got a bunch of, this is from the over the back filter. Got a handful of germinating. I've already migrated a few of them to the Aquaponic system. Let me get this on really quick. There we go. Other than that, just put in new gravel today. Definitely like the look of it a lot more. Need to bring the water level up a little bit. Other than that, got some, what's it called? Clawwort, hogwort, something like that. As well as a lily bulb that's buried in there. So hopefully that will be coming up. Butterleaf lettuce from the store is doing well. Very well. Strawberries have done extremely well. Got several different ones, cherry tomatoes, garlic chives, so on. Germinating those guys. We got kale, blackberry that I picked up. Up here we got more kale, several more that we got germinating. Bell pepper or I think it's a habanero plant, I don't know. Something that grew over in the outside garden last year. Green onions, these two came from the outside gardens that we just moved today. They were originally over here along the wall. Got them moved over here today. And then the other three these three are organic from the store. Got some romaine. Picked up some pre-germinated stuff from Home Depot that they're doing okay. Got cilantro. Need to trim it back. Hopefully it will come back strong. And some parsley. Somewhere in here we got the, I think you can see one right there. Yep, you can see two of them right there. Got a couple of koi hiding back there. Normally they were hiding over here, back in underneath the waterfall where I had the old hose. But now that this new pump's in, I think this is going to be their favorite spot. I'm hoping that once the plants kick off, they'll move to there. But now I officially have all the water cycling through the whole tank. So this hose right here comes up to here. There's a filter inside this little box right here. Comes all the way along here. There's a pipe, PVC pipe, that runs underneath here. Comes down right here. Runs all the way down. And then water falls over. That's the only stagnant spot, but I'm not too worried about it because there is a little bit of movement there. So I don't think that little batch right there will cause a big problem. The new filter comes in right here. It's got a skimmer on top, but I need to get the water level up. Runs back behind, so you can probably see it from outside. And then comes into the filtration pump. Filtration pump brings back over, and I've got it squirting against the back wall. But it looks like there's air in the line, because it keeps freezing up every now and then kicking off again. So I don't know if I got to read into it. It might be a design within it, but seems to be doing what it's supposed to be doing. Other than that, definitely happy on how it came out. A couple issues I have had. There's a leak somewhere over in this area, so if it gets above a certain level, it tends to leak out and pool on the ground The ground's kind of wet right now, but that's from me working on the new filter. Other than that, pretty happy with it. The root system on these guys is turning out to be pretty, slipped out of my hand. Turning out to be pretty intensive, especially the strawberries. I think the strawberries were pretty, yeah. Strawberries are definitely doing good. Crushing the bugger leaf. These guys are doing okay. And then if we come over to these, definitely germinating. Looks like we got one popping up right there. He wasn't there this morning, so it's definitely moving. Or the kale, my wife's a big fan of kale. She likes her Olive Garden soup that she makes. Other than that, yeah. Price-wise, I'd like to say this is a lot cheaper than an equivalent tank, but as of right now, including the new filtration pump and all the trial and errors, I'm probably about $800 into this right now. Realistically, this could probably be built for about $500. But a little bit of trial and error, and that's including this shelving unit that I'm using for just management. So, cool. Alright, thanks for watching.